In this video, we listed the 5 best budget drawing tablets on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. XPPen Artist Pro 16 Graphic Tablet. The pen display being described as the Artist Pro 16, which features a 15.4-inch screen with anti-glare film and full lamination, offering a color gamut of 133% sRGB. It comes equipped with dual dials and 8 customizable shortcut keys for enhanced functionality. The product boasts extensive compatibility with various operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, as well as popular digital art software. The package includes essential accessories like a stylus, USB cable, power adapter, and pen case with multiple nibs. The Artist Pro 16 offers a work area of 340.99 by 191.81 mm, 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, and a resolution of 5080 LPI. With features like easy connectivity and compatibility with a wide range of software, this graphic tablet monitor caters to artists, designers, students, and professionals across different fields. Number 2. XPPen Artist 12 Tablet. The Artist 12 Pen Display, 2nd Gen, is a versatile and advanced graphics tablet monitor designed to meet the creative needs of artists, designers, and digital art enthusiasts. With a 12-inch working area, 8 shortcut keys, and a high-resolution display of 1920 by 1080, this pen display offers a responsive and immersive drawing experience. The X3 Elite Stylus, with 8,192 pressure sensitivity levels and support for up to 60 degrees of tilt, provides precise control and accuracy for detailed artwork. The full lamination technology minimizes parallax for a natural drawing feel. Compatible with a wide range of operating systems including Windows, Mac, Chrome, Linux, and Android, this tablet monitor is suitable for various digital art software applications. The package includes essential accessories like the stylus, USB cables, pen nibs, and a cleaning cloth, making it a comprehensive solution for digital artists. With certifications like CE, FCC, and PSE, this pen display ensures quality and reliability. Number 3. XPPen Artist 13 Pro Graphics Tablet. The XPPen Artist Display 13.3 Pro is a portable and powerful tool designed to enhance creativity and productivity. With a 13.3-inch display area and a 3-in-1 cable design for easy connectivity, this screen simplifies your workspace and boosts your creative output. The device features a red dial interface with customizable shortcut keys for a smooth creative workflow, supporting up to 60 degrees of tilt function for natural shading effects. With 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and a fully laminated FHD display offering superb color accuracy, this tablet ensures fast, fluid performance and vivid visuals. The package includes accessories like a portable stand and a battery-free stylus, making it a versatile tool for artists, designers, and other creative professionals. Compatible with popular digital art software and boasting a range of specifications, the XPPen Artist Display 13.3 Pro is a reliable and user-friendly choice for digital creators. Number 4. XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro Drawing Tablet. The XPPen Graphic Monitor Artist 15.6 Pro is a professional display designed to help artists create masterpieces with ease and precision. Featuring an innovative red dial interface for smooth workflow, 8 customizable shortcut keys, and full laminated technology for a distraction-free working environment, this graphic monitor offers a marvelous and colorful display with minimal visual distractions. With 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and 60 degrees of tilt function, the PA2 battery-free stylus provides enhanced performance and accuracy for creating fine sketches and lines. The sleek and smart design of the Artist 15.6 Pro includes a slim profile, easily accessible brightness button, and accessories such as a portable stand and pen holder. Compatible with major operating systems and graphics software, This versatile tablet monitor is ideal for artists, designers, teachers, and more. Please note that the Artis 15.6 Pro needs to be connected to a computer or laptop to function and is not a standalone product. Number 5. BOSTO 12 HD Drawing Tablet. The BOSTO 12 HD, a graphic tablet, offers a range of features designed to enhance the digital drawing experience. With an 11.6-inch IPS HD screen boasting a resolution of 1366 by 768, 8,192 pressure levels, and a battery-free pen, users can enjoy a smooth and natural drawing experience. The tablet's strong compatibility with Windows and Mac operating systems, along with its practical accessories like pen nibs, a glove, and a tablet protective cover, make it suitable for professional artists, novice designers, teachers, and amateurs alike. The tablet also comes with a foldable full metal stand for comfortable positioning, making it ideal for various applications such as hand-painted illustration, design, animation, and online education. The BOSTO 12 HDA is a versatile tool for creative work, offering precision and convenience for users of all skill levels.